Saying gals and gents, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. Today I'm going to show you guys how I retwist my locks using just oil and water. No clips needed, still get the neat look you need. Before we start retwisting our locks, I just normally section my locks into 4 sections. But before I reach to the full 4, I normally just put 2 sections in the front, spray the back of my locks with water, just moisturizing my roots, loosening it up a bit before I get into the full retwisting. I find that this way works easier for me and just, keeps everything out of the way. Okay, so now we're going to start retwisting my locks. So I normally just go in with oil to the base, taking one hand to the top, just twisting it to the right, and using the bottom, just to hold everything in place. Then I palm roll the end, and then I loop it to secure it. I just find that this way, using the 2 hands works easier for me, but whatever is easier for you. But this is just how I retwist my locks. So I'm going to do it again for you guys. Add some oil to the base, gather the lock, take it, twist it to the right of me, just using the bottom hand as my, securer. And then once we get it to the retwist we need, we palm roll it. After I palm roll it, then I'm gonna loop it. And this is just gonna hold everything in place. This way I don't have to use any clips. So I'm just gonna let the video play as you follow along.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
It's always easier to tell you lies. Let the truth be your surprise. You see me as Mr. Right. Word of advice, change your mind, cause you're blind. Might as well close your eyes. If you open them, you'll cry, cause you see through my disguise.
Okay, so we've almost finished one section. So I'm going to show you guys how I avoid looping. When you see the retwisting, it's have a lot of loops through it. This is how I avoid looping. I just stretch everything out into that section and I apply a rubber band in the middle of the lock. And this is just straightening out my retwist, so don't be curly to the root. Okay, now the front of my hair, this is where I use a comb or anything just to sort my parts out just a little bit. And I use edge control instead of the oil, just so my edges could be laid in the front, because I like the neat look to the front. Like the back, I don't really matter, but the front, I love that neat look. So I used a little bit of edge control, but I'm still using the same method.
yeah, body. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my now. I really need my now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my now. I really need my now. Oh, yeah. If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movies, stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still calling me? You'll be loving me. Loving you. If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movies, stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still calling me? You'll be loving me. Loving you. I really need my love. I need to free my love. I really need your love. I need to free my mind out. I really need your love. I really need to free my love. I really need your love. Oh, yeah. Just let me free and any open mind. Farther than the eyes can handle. Free and any ocean now. Yeah. Just set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky.
Okay, gals, so this was just me showing you how I retwist my locks using just oil and water. And as you can see, it's still neat, it's still together, and we didn't stress ourselves out when we was retwisting the day. You know, it was a smooth sailing process. I just don't need no mirror for the back. The only time I need a mirror is for the front. So as I was retwisting this, I was watching a movie and just chilling and relaxing. So this method is very easy, and I highly recommend that, you know, give it a try, and, you know, stop spending all your money inside the salon all the time, and you can just do it at home. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.
Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I mean,